Welcome to this video on the actual product costing report in SAP Business One. We will explore how this manufacturing cost add-on by Kabeer Consulting Group helps you uncover the true cost of production. Standard costing often creates an illusion by showing what production should cost rather than what it actually does cost. It often fails to account for shop floor variations, material fluctuations, and hidden margin leakages. To get a true picture, businesses must move from theoretical models to empirical shop floor data. Actual costing provides dynamic, real-time insights that help pinpoint the exact sources of margin drift. This precision add-on for SAP Business One captures the true cost of finished goods. It offers real-time data capture, universal application across different manufacturing types, and granular visibility without complex core SAP customizations. Kabeer's costing engine is engineered to close the margin gap. It allows for profitability mastery by reflecting reality, capturing shop floor data in real time, and supporting complex multi-stage manufacturing processes. By tracking material consumption and returns as they happen, the system ensures zero-lag synchronization. This data feeds directly into SAP Business One, eliminating manual entry errors and providing an accurate pulse of the shop floor. The solution offers visibility across every transformation. It supports up to 9 distinct production stages, where costs and quantities are isolated and analyzed at every single node. With granular BOM forensics, you can deconstruct costs down to the atomic level. This provides itemized clarity on real-time costs versus standards, mapping them to the exact operational stage of consumption. Precision control is achieved through simple, user-defined reporting. The front-end execution is frictionless, while the robust back-end logic ensures accurate and detailed cost analysis. By integrating real-time data, multi-stage tracking, and BOM forensics, the system helps you close the margin gap. This enables executive-level, cost-driven decisions to optimize pricing and improve operations. Kabeer Consulting Group consists of elite SAP partners and engineers. With over 60 proprietary add-ons developed, their vision is to integrate data and automation to transform SME businesses globally. Discover your true costs today. Visit our resources to book a demo, download our product add-on documentation, or watch our learning videos. Let's make things happen together.